Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tutorialverse Hub. Are you tired of your boring old one-color light bulbs? What if I told you that for just a few bucks, you could completely transform the vibe of any room in your house? Well, today we're diving into the world of smart lighting. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up this awesome smart LED bulb. It's super easy, super fun, and honestly, a total game changer for your home. By the end of this video, you'll be a smart lighting pro, so let's get this party started and bring some color into our lives. First things first, what's in the box? Usually, you just get the bulb itself and a small quick start guide. That's it. The beauty of these things is their simplicity. The first step is the easiest one of all. We're going to install the bulb. Make sure the lamp or light fixture you're using is turned off. Safety first, always. Now just unscrew your old bulb. Goodbye boring yellow light, and screw in your new smart bulb. It fits into any standard socket, just like a regular bulb. Once it's snugly in place, go ahead and turn the power back on. You'll notice right away that the bulb starts flashing. This is totally normal. It's not a disco party just yet. This flashing light is the bulb's way of saying, "Hey, I'm ready to connect." It's now in pairing mode, waiting for you to find it with your smartphone. So let's grab our phones and do just that. You'll need to download the companion app for your specific brand of bulb. Just go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the name that's on the box. Once it's downloaded and installed, open it up. Most apps will ask you to create a quick account. It usually just takes an email and a password. This is so you can control your lights even when you're not at home. Alright, account created. We're in the app. Now we need to add our new bulb. Look for a plus sign or an Add Device button, usually in the top corner. The app will then start scanning for new devices nearby. Since our bulb is already in pairing mode, the app should find it automatically within a few seconds. See, there it is on my screen. I'll just tap on it to begin the connection process. Next, you'll need to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. This is important as it's how the bulb communicates with your phone and the internet. Select your home's Wi-Fi network from the list and type in your password. Make sure you're connecting to the 2.4 GHz band, as most smart devices prefer that one. Once you've entered the password, hit connect. You'll see a progress bar as the app pairs with the bulb. The light on the bulb might change its flashing pattern, and then, boom, it will stop flashing and turn to a solid, steady color. That's the signal that you are successfully connected. Now for the best part. The app will probably ask you to give your bulb a name. This is super helpful if you have multiple smart bulbs. I'll call this one Living Room Lamp. Now we can explore all the cool features. Let's head over to the control screen. Here you'll see a color wheel. Just drag your finger around and watch the bulb change color in real time. We can have a cool blue, a vibrant pink, a fiery red, or a calming green. The possibilities are endless. You can pick from millions of colors to perfectly match your mood or decor. But it's not just about colors. You can also adjust the brightness. Want a bright, energetic light for working? Crank it up. Want a dim, cozy glow for movie night? Just slide it down. You can also switch to shades of white light, from a warm, yellowish tone to a cool, bluish-white light, perfect for reading. Most apps also have preset scenes. Check these out. We've got reading, party, relax, and even a setting that slowly cycles through all the colors. There's also usually a music sync feature. If you allow the app to access your phone's microphone, the bulb will flash and change colors to the beat of your music. How cool is that for your next get-together? Finally, let's talk about automation. You can set schedules for your lights to turn on and off automatically. For example, you can have your lights gently fade on in the morning to wake you up or turn off at midnight to remind you it's bedtime. You can even control them with your voice using Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. Hey Google, turn the living room lamp to purple. And just like that, it's purple. So there you have it. From a simple flashing bulb to a fully customizable, voice-controlled lighting experience in just 5 minutes. It's an incredibly simple and affordable way to make your home feel smarter and more modern. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.